For the following problem, it states given the functions f of x equals 6x to the fourth plus x cubed plus 9x squared plus x minus 2 and g of x equals 2x plus 1, find f of x divided by g of x. For this problem, I need to use division. Since my linear factor here is not of the form x minus r, I know that I want to use polynomial long division. So I'm going to set up my problem. My divisor is 2x plus 1, and my dividend is going to be f of x, which is 6x to the fourth plus x cubed plus 9x squared plus x minus 2. When doing long division, the first thing you must do is ask yourself, what do I have to multiply 2x by in order to get 6x to the fourth? In order to get that, I need to multiply by 3x cubed. Once you get your answer, 3x cubed, you now need to do 2x times 3x squared, which is 6x to the fourth. You also must do 1 times 3x cubed, which is 3x cubed. Once you have that, you're going to then subtract. So I am going to do 6x to the fourth minus 6x to the fourth and x cubed minus 3x cubed. So basically what we're doing is we're changing the signs and adding. When I add, that will cancel. When I add these, this will turn to negative 2x cubed. I will then bring down my next term, which is 9x squared. I'm essentially going to repeat the process. I'm now going to ask myself, what do I have to multiply 2x by in order to get negative 2x cubed? In order to do that, I must multiply by negative x squared. I then do the same thing. 2x times negative x squared is negative 2x cubed. And 1 times negative x squared is just negative x squared. So next, what we'll do is we'll change our signs. So this will become a plus, and this will become a plus. And if you do it correctly, these terms will always cancel out, and you will just do 9x squared plus x squared, which is 10x squared. And bring down your next term, which is x. Repeat the process once again. What do I multiply 2x by to get to 10x squared? You multiply it by 5x, so I'm going to put 5x on the top. 2x times 5x is 10x squared, and 1 times 5x is just 5x. I'm going to go ahead and change my signs to subtract. That will cancel out, and x minus 5x is negative 4x. Lastly, we need to bring down our negative 2, and we need to ask ourselves, what do I multiply 2x by in order to get negative 4x? Correct answer would be negative 2. So I'm going to put a negative 2 up top. Negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x, and 2x times negative 2, 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Last step is to change your signs, add together, and you get 0. So this number right here, 0, is my remainder, which is nothing. So your final answer is this right here up in your divisor, which is 3x cubed minus x squared plus 5x minus 2. And since there is no remainder, that would be your final answer.